So what is probability? Chances are there. P is called positive, Q is called negative is considered. 3 arrows miss the tree means 1 arrow hit the tree. So we take P as a 1 by 3.031. If you make the simplification, 0.18. Hello my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Year College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Today I am going to hang Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 5, Session 1 in favor of BBA. Today we are going to discuss theoretical distributions. What are the theoretical distributions? One is binomial distribution. Number 2, Poisson distribution. Number 3, normal distribution. These are all the 3 distributions we are having. Today, we are going to discuss about the binomial distribution. Topics covered: binomial, Poisson and normal distribution, properties of each distribution and their application. This is the chapter which is going to be covered. So first, we discuss about the binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is a probability distribution that summarizes the likelihood that a value will take 1 or 2 independent values and a given set of parameters. Parameters means X and P and Q, we say here assumption. The assumption may be P, assumption may be Q. So what is probability? Chances are there. P is called positive, Q is called negative is considered. The underlying assumption of the binomial distribution are that there is only one outcome for each trial. So positive and negative, one trial we say, another we say as a negative. When you say positive, another we say as a negative. That each trial has the same probability of success, then each trial mutually exclusive or independent of each other. Here, what they are saying, no, if we give one possibility chances, another is negative chances, we have to assume. Here, P is called positive, Q is called negative concern. The formula application will be NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. What is the formula? NCR, combination formula, NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. Here, in binomial distribution, P plus Q is equal to 1. We'll move on to problem. The probability that an arrow hitting a tree is 1 by 3. So P is equal to probability 1 by 3. Therefore, Q is equal to 2 by 3. If 4 arrows are N, if 4 are aimed at the tree, find the probability that 3 arrows miss the tree means they do not know, only 1 hit the tree. So, only 1 hit the tree out of 4. Formula is NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. So, 3 arrows miss the tree means 1 is there. 4C1. What is your P? 1 by 3 to the power of 1 into 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. This is 4C1 means 4. 4 factorial, 4 minus 1 factorial means 4 into 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3 to the power of 3. This is 4. 1 by 3. 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is 32 divided by 81. We'll explain. 3 arrows miss the tree means 1 arrow hit the tree. So we take P as a 1 by 3, 4C1, 1 by 3 to the power of 1, 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. So 4, 1 by 3, 2 to the power of 3 is 8 by 27, 32 divided by 81. So first we have find out here 32 divided by 1, at least 2 arrows. At least 2 arrows 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1. 1 minus, come back, 4C0 into, what's your P now? Your P is 1 by 3 to the power of 0 into 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 0 plus 4C1 into 1 by 3 to the power of 1 into 2 by 3 to the power of 4 minus 3. This is 4 minus 1. Simplify. 1 minus 4C0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. This is 2 by 3 to the power of 3. 8 divided by 27. Come back. 4C1 is 4 into 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3 to the power of 3. This is 8 by 27. 1 minus. This is 8 by 27. This is 8 4s are 32 divided by 81. That is, therefore, 1 minus. You take the 81 as the LCM. 27 3s are 3 8s are 24. 81 1s are 1, 32. So 1 minus, add this, 56 divided by 81. Take the LCM, 81. 1 into 81 is 81, 56. Deduct. 25 divided by 81. That is 25 divided by 81. 0.3086. Hope you understand. 1 minus 56 divided by 81. So I took the 81 LCM, 0.30. In a certain university, the chances that professor suffers 1 by 5. The chances that out of the 8 professor, 2 will not suffer here. So P is equal to 1 over 5. So only then Q is equal to 4 by 5. How many professors are there? There are N is equal to 8. So apply now. 8 professors are there. 2 will not suffer means 8C6. 8C6. 1 by 5 to the power of 6. 4 by 5 to the power of N. 8 minus 6. 8C6. 1 by 5 to the power of 6. Chances are there are total chance 8. This is 8 into 7. 2 into 1. 0.2 to the power of 6. This is N minus 8. So first chance is 2 will not suffer means 6 will suffer. N minus R. So this is 0.8 to the power of 2. This is 28. 0.2 to the power of 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 0 point not 64. This is 0.8 into 0.8. 0.8 into 0.8. 0.64. This is 0.864. So 28 into 0.00064 into 0.64. This is 0.00064. 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 6. So this is the answer. At least 2 will suffer. At least 2 will suffer. 1 minus p of 0, p of 1, 1 minus 8 is 0, 1 by 5 to the power of 0, 4 by 5 to the power of 8 minus 0. So it is 4, 9, 6, 7. Then 40 boys and 30 girls are there. Selection. NCX to the power of 6. How many boys are there? 30. Totally. Boys, totally 70. Totally 70. Boys, boys, P, 40 by 70. Q, 30 by 70. This is P, 4 by 7. Q, 3 by 7. So first one, all probability then selected all are boys. All are boys. Selected all are boys. Everyone is boys are there. So how many boys are there? There are totally 4 boys. So all are boys means totally how many you got? 4C, 4. What is P? 4 by 7 to the power of 4. 3 by 7 to the power of 4 minus 4. 4C, 4. 4 by 7 to the power of 4. 3 by 7 to the power of 4 minus 4. So 4C, 4 is 1. This is 4 by 7 to the power of 4. 4 by 7 to the power of 4. 4 divided by 7. 0.5714 to the power of 4. This is 3 by 7 to the power of 0. 1 into 0.57 to the power of 4. 0.5714 into 0.5714 into 0.5714 into 0.5714 is equal to 0.1066. 0.1066 into 1. 0.1066. 0.1066 is the answer. Now, what is next one? P of 3. So at most 2 boys here, no? At most 2 boys. P of 0. P of 0. P of 1. P of 2. That is, you can write that is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Apply now. P of 0. 4C 0. So 4 by 7 to the power of 0. 3 by 7 to the power of 4 minus 0. Then 4C1 into 4 by 7 to the power of 1. 3 by 7 to the power of 4 minus 1. Last one. 4C2, 4 by 7 to the power of 2, 3 by 7 to the power of 4 minus 2. So, we'll go one by one. 4C0. So, 4C0 is 4 minus 0. 4 factorial 4. This is 1. This is 1. 3 to the power of 4. 0.3. This is 3 divided by 7. 0.42 to the power of 4. 4C1 is 4. 4 by 7. 3 by 7 to the power of 3. 4C2, 4 by 7 to the power of 2, 3 by 7 to the power of 2. This is 1 into 5 into 5 into 4, 0.4286, 0.42 to the power of 4, 0.42 into 0.42 into 0.42 into 0.42. This is 0.0311. This is 4 into 4 by 7, 7 into 7 into 7, 343. Then 6, 4 by 7 to the power of 2, 3 by 7 to the power of 2. This is 0.0311 plus, if we simplify this, simplification 0.18. You simplify this, 4 by 7, 3 by 7 to the power of 8, 0.3599. 0.031, if you make the simplification, 0.18, it is 0.3519. So it is nothing but 0.5736. You make the simplification, this, apply calculator here, 0.3599 will come, 0.18 will come, the last answer is 0.5736. So we have solved about the 4 major problems. In the next class, we'll go with a binomial distribution. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session with a binomial distribution.